So this is how bad the headlights is on my new Volvo, new to me Volvo XC90. Yep, this one is actually bad. Look at the gap here. So we'll see how this mother's polish works on this bad headlight. See if it will make a difference. So I'm not doing any prep for this, I'm just applying it directly. So if there's no result, then we might probably use a drill to polish it. So this part over here is actually clean. So I tried my best to polish it, but the Maguire stuff is not really that great. Yeah, it's still bad in this area here. I think it's bad in the inside, not outside. So yeah, if you look at that, yeah, this headlight is, I don't know if we could recover it. I'll try probably sand it, do a wet sand, and then do the mother's polish again, see if that works. But yeah, I mean, putting in mothers directly and polishing it, yeah, it will not do any miracle. So the ones that I have actually have LED lights on it. That's why there's a bulb failure. So replacing the halogen with that LED. Yeah, this one is really bright. It has like a bluish white tint on it. This one is like yellow. So taking this temporary fix. This one too. I got this one already replaced, and yeah, it just needs a little cleaning. So this one it's not really advisable to remove the plastic parts when it's really cold, because they are hard to take out and they get brittle. So this one is how they fix it temporarily, and it works, but you know, it's open, so moisture could get in there and then pretty much destroys the lens. So this is the LED headlight for this one. So I got to replace this headlight already. Testing this cover, and it's loose. Where this headlight's not installed properly. Putting in the LED. Tight. Put on the connectors. Yeah, it seems that the connectors don't have a positive and negative on this one. The problem with these LEDs is that they cause a error on the dash, the bulb low beam failure, because I think it's only one position. So we're done. Close it. There should be like a lock in this one, but they're pretty much all missing. Then we're gonna install it. Make sure that this is all the way up. Yeah, this should be all the way up. Get the connector in. Yep. So you have to press it. Headlight. So this latch should be here, and then this one should be visible. So that there will be no gap in this one. So let's see. And we'll put this stuff over these brackets. There's no screws or bolts on this one. So I got the clips all the way in, and then so there's no gap in here. This is way better than the old one. So yep. Oh, I broke this one again. It's probably too cold to install stuff like that.